Question: you just started your new job and received an email with a getting started manual attached. After a few weeks, you want to remove this email from your Gmail inbox but preserve it for future reference. What should you do? Option A. Mark as not important. Option B. Delete the email. Option C. Archive the email. Option D. Label the email. The correct answer is option C. Question: you need to set up a way to easily access a Google Drive folder that your team shared with you. The team drive with this shared folder has over different folders. What should you do to have quick access to the shared folder? Option A. Create a new folder in My Drive on Google Drive. Copy all the files from your TMS folder to the new folder. Option B. Create a new folder in My Drive on Google Drive. Move your TMS folder into this new folder. Option C. Find the shared folder on Google Drive. Change the color of the folder to red. Option D. Find the shared folder and Shared with Me on Google Drive. Right-click on the folder, and then click Add to My Drive. The correct answer is option D. Question: you need to find an audio file on Google Drive that your manager shared with you recently. You know that the type of file you are looking for is audio, and the owner of the file is email protected. What should you do to quickly find the file on Google Drive? Option A. Click on the drop-down menu in the search bar of Google Drive, select audio as the type of file, select Owned by Me as owner, and then click Search. Option B. Click on the drop-down menu in the search bar of Google Drive, select audio as the type of file, enter email protected as owner, and then click Search. Option C. In the search bar of Google Drive, enter type video owner my image. Option D. In the search bar of Google Drive, enter type video owner, email protected. The correct answer is option B. Question: a new customer asks you to send a Google Docs document to them as a Microsoft Word document. From the File menu of your Google Docs document, what action should you take? Option A. Click Email as attachment, and then select Microsoft Word, .docx. Option B. Click Download as, click Plain Text, .text, and send them an email with this file attached. Option C. Click Share, enter the customer's email address, and share the document. Option D. Click Make a copy. Rename the document with a .docx extension, save it to My Drive and share the document with them. The correct answer is option B.